You're very welcome back. Now we have the perfect flaky chicken, spinach, feta, phyllo pastry. What else would you want of a Tuesday morning?
It's a perfect breakfast. Here to whip it up for us is Chef Dean Diplock from Breaking House Resort.
Well, it's not quite a breakfast, but it'll certainly be.
Well,
nice
it's our breakfast.
It's our breakfast.
Your breakfast, yeah. Well, listen, this is a one-pot wonder. Obviously, for time purposes, I've pre-cooked some of the items, but literally all of this can be done in the same pot. all
Lovely.
right? So I've got some 2 medium onions that I've softened, a little bit of garlic. Always like garlic. You want to cook that out a little bit. All right, and then...
That's a grand big pot, isn't it?
It is, because we want the space when we put the phyllo pastry on top of it to give us a nice, huge area of phyllo so everybody gets a little bit of it and it goes nice and crispy, you'll see. So, chicken thighs again. I always say use chicken thighs.
You love your chicken thighs.
Your chicken thighs are the flavour. So, about a kilo here of meat, which again I've browned off in advance, but this can go in, as the recipe states, right from the beginning, raw.
Now, can I ask you something?
Yes.
So you've bought all those chicken thighs and you have to skin them, cut them up.
Well, I took the bone's only one little bone,
Yeah.
and the skin comes off, and then you just chop them up.
Chop them up.
From that, I made the stock. So it's all good.
You put all the bones in and made the
fried
stock,
it up
did
and made
you?
the stock last night, yes.
Oh, wow.
Nice
Fair
and
play
tasty.
to you.
Now, the recipe does say you can use a stock cube. Absolutely nothing wrong with that at all.
Right.
Okay, so all of those ingredients are in now. So we are going to basically make a beurre or a roux.
Oh, nice roux, yeah.
Okay.
Your sauce,
so
okay.
In goes our butter. And then, depending on how thick you like it, you can use probably between 2 and 4 tablespoons of flour, just level.
What kind of flour?
This is just plain flour.
Plain flour.
Yeah, this is going to be our thickening agent, so that's plenty in there. We mix that through, we get all the flour coated, and you can see it's already starting to thicken.
It smells
Right.
stunning. Or with your butter and your
Lovely,
garlic
lovely.
in there, it
Okay,
smells absolutely
now our liquids
delicious.
go in. So, sorry, I need to put my pepper first now. I've ground some fresh pepper. Thank you, Ray, for doing that.
I did that.
And we put a nice
You did that, did you?
tablespoon
Is that what you were doing earlier on?
Yes.
Very tasty pepper.
Very tasty.
With
It's
your-
nice if it's freshly ground. It really makes a big difference to the dish itself. And don't be shy. There's quite a lot of meat in there as well.
I'm not shy.
Very
What do you
good.
call this? What do you call this when you're grinding the pepper in?
A pepper grinder, I call it.
Pepper-
Yeah,
this is
mortar.
mortar.
pestle.
Mortar,
Mortar
yeah.
and pestle. All right, so, okay, I have this on a high heat. We want to bring, to a simmer. Right, and
And that's going
into
to thicken
this,
up now, yeah.
Yeah, this is now going to thicken. I'm going to try and get that all the way up there. There we go. Right, cream, double cream.
Smells.
Look at this.
Lovely double cream goes in.
The whole lot of it, right?
The whole lot. It's only 250 mils. It's a cup,
Only
so
250 mils. It's fine.
This is
it's a
enough.
big dish.
It's enough food for about 8 people. So
Yeah.
this
Oh,
is
well
plenty,
then, okay.
right?
What?
Creme fraiche,
Oh my God.
about a third of the creme fraiche. And we mix that through nicely there. Okay, now to that, while that's coming to a simmer and boil, I'm going to put in, at this stage you can put fresh baby spinach in and wilt it
Oh,
if
yeah,
you
it'll
want
just
to.
wilt down itself,
Absolutely,
won't
it'll
it?
wilt,
Yeah.
wilt down to nothing. So that's
You could
not
put
an
in
issue.
literally a whole bag of it. It wilts down to nothing.
It's probably about
we
that
go.
much,
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
Okay, so what I've done here, I've taken some pre-cooked, just frozen spinach that you can buy in the shop.
Okay.
Defrosted
All right,
it,
yeah.
pressed all the liquid out of it, chopped it up to make sure it's not too stringy.
All
and
right,
that
yeah.
goes in, so that's the start of our Spinach Feta idea.
Spanakopta.
Spinach
Spanakopita.
Feta.
Sorry, what?
Spinach Feta.
Whatever.
Right.
She said it.
Okay, so you'll
Do you
see.
know what I made last night called Cannon?
Oh, really? How did you
yes.
feel about that?
Oh, he loves it.
All right, okay.
Made
Very
it.
good,
Love
very
it.
good.
I love a bit of cold cannon. No, it's just the spinach reminded
Spinach,
me
yeah,
there.
going in.
Fresh herbs. I have some fresh thyme out of the garden. Fresh parsley. Nice bit of fresh
Wow.
parsley into that. And then a pinch of salt. Now, don't have the
Can
too...
you taste parsley? Like,
Yes.
You can,
can
yeah.
you?
And yes, of course you can. The salt, as I said, don't put too much salt in because you are putting feta cheese on top of this, and it's brined, so it does have
Right, it will be quite
salt
strong.
on it already. Exactly. So, right.
When
so,
does the cheese go in?
right now.
Oh, right now. Okay.
Yes.
It's already quite thick.
I was
Dean.
going to
is,
say
it
that.
is.
The cheese is going to
Yeah.
really thicken
Exactly.
it up.
So now the feta is not really going to be stringy
really
or
okay.
anything like. It's just going to go on the top, really, like so.
And that just
Okay.
melt in.
It'll soften on top. Yes, it will. So
So
quick
the
was that?
phyllo
That's a couple
paste,
of
that's... How long do you leave that there for now?
That's done.
Oh, it's done now.
See,
So
the
because
thing
it's
is,
going in the oven.
It's going to go in the oven, but it's already cooked. The meat is already cooked. So all we're going to do now is create our top. So the filo pastry you can buy in the shop frozen. Mm-hmm. I've kept it wrapped up so that it doesn't dry out. That's an important little tip. Just a cloth. Here's some that I've done earlier, but I just want to show you. It's literally some butter melted. A little bit of olive oil I've added to it as well. Like so. And we just scrunch it up. Literally just scrunch it up like that.
All right, okay.
All right? So we want the butter side showing up.
Yeah.
So then you put all them on top of that, do you?
That's correct. So these now come.
Did they not sink in?
No, they sit on top quite happily.
Look at this.
Oh.
So instead of having
I
this
thought they would
heavy,
sink right down.
Well, remember the base is quite thick as it is. you
Quite
know?
light and crunchy.
Oh,
then,
yes,
so.
okay.
So we're making a light, crunchy top rather than
Now,
a
while you
heavy.
do that, I'm going to take out the one you have in here for you while you
Very
continue
good.
that.
Here we
Oh,
go.
my God, look at this.
Oh, wow. It does look very elegant and crunchy.
got it there?
Oh, Ray, look at this.
Put it on here.
Oh, put it on here, sorry.
Look at Alan
finish it
taking
up.
all the credit. All you
Yeah,
do
look
is
at that.
Just taking it
This
out.
goes
Look
straight
at
into
that.
the oven then.
Wow.
And we're going to bake that at 180 for about 30 minutes or until it's browned. There's no specific
Yeah, because
time on
everything's
it.
done inside.
Everything's ready to. You're just really browning the pastry on top. As I said, it's already cooked.
That turned out fantastic.
And you hear, listen nicely.
Yeah, crunch.
Oh,
Oh.
That is.
Now,
This is the type of thing I love.
That's what you want.
that's our
Lovely.
breakfast now.
Dish
That is...
for each
So
person.
simple.
There we go.
Of course, you can do it yourself. You can get the recipe on the website. Looks absolutely lovely.
It really
It's hot, so please do be careful.
Yeah, it's very hot, very hot.
And
But that is so simple. It looks delicious. So you just put that in the middle of the table then. That would definitely
Lovely
feed
green
about 8
salad and
people.
probably a bottle of nice white chilled wine and a green
Stunning.
salad.
Could
and
we
you're
arrange
done.
that?
Sit
Raymond,
outside
if you won't
and
mind,
enjoy the weather.
bring it in.
Yes,
Dean
and-
Diplock from Bravery House Resort, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank
Pleasure,
you.
sir.